the ray is incident on the surface, angle of incidence is here I. So when the ray is incident on the surface here, what happened means some part of ray is reflected and some part of ray is refracted. Two things happen. Some part of ray is reflected and some part of ray is refracted. Here, the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, no doubt. This is incident, this is reflected, and this is refracted. So now, here the angle of refraction, let me take it as R. And this one, either this one we represent with R or this one. Let me, if suppose I have written R, this I can write as R dash. But one thing I know, I is equal to R. I is equal to R. This is rarer medium, this is denser medium, bends towards the normal, bends towards the normal. Now fine, here, what happened means, they mentioned that angle between the reflected ray and refracted ray is 90. Angle between reflected ray and refracted ray is 90 degree. Now when it is reflected from ray, that means incident on a radar medium reflected back in the same radar medium. Now it is refracted and there it is making an angle here. That angle what they mentioned is, that is R dash. R dash is the refracted angle here. And after this R dash, what we have to notice here is, now sum of the three angles, R plus 90 plus R dash is equal to 180. So now R plus 90 plus R dash is 180 we told. So here we can also write R and I are equal, as R is equal to I. R is equal to I. I can write now I plus 90 plus R dash is equal to 180. And from here I can write R dash is equal to 180 minus 90 means 90. So I can write R dash is equal to 90 minus I. So R dash value I got 90 minus I. R dash is refracted angle. R is reflected angle. Now this is the information what we got. Fine. Now coming to the next topic here. Here now just refractive index is moving from rarer to denser. We can write it as sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R. From Snell's law of refraction. So it's coming from which medium to which medium? Rarer. This is the first one, rarer. To down, denser. So rarer to denser ray is coming. So we have to write here mu d with respect to R. Denser medium with respect to rarer medium is equal to sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R. Here we have to write not R, simply we have to write R dash because refracted angle is R dash. So I can also write sin I by sin R dash is nothing but, what is R dash beta? Yes, 90 minus I. R dash is 90 minus I. So as R dash is equal to 90 minus I, now I can write mu d with respect to R is equal to sin I by now cos I. Sin I by cos I is nothing but tan I. So the formula what I got here is mu d with respect to R is tan I. Tan I. Suppose now again if you take a rarer medium as vacuum, if rarer medium is vacuum, rarer medium vacuum, then what we can write? Mu d with respect to R we can write as mu d by mu R, or simply we can write as mu. And now therefore I can write mu equal to sin I by sin R. That is what we have written finally here. Mu is equal to, we have written that as mu is equal to tan I. Mu is equal to tan I. As I is equal to R, as I is equal to R, I can also write it as tan r. And I is equal to, I can write 90 minus r dash. If I substitute tan 90 minus r dash, I will get it as cot r dash. Cot r dash. Cot r dash. So now different forms I got for mu. Mu I can write as tan I. I can write as tan I, or I can write as tan r. I can write as tan r, or I can write as cot r dash. I can write as cot r dash. So we also know as mu can also be written as 1 by sine c, where c is called critical angle. C is called critical angle. We know this information generally. Wherever mu is there, mu we can write the critical angle as mu is equal to 1 by sine c. So from this information and this information, if we equate here, so I can write 1 by sine c is equal to, I can write tan I, or I can write tan r, I can write cot r dash. Therefore, mu is equal to like that. I can write all these different forms. Now, sine c and tan I, if I equate, or 1 by sine c and tan I can write, now observe carefully here, I equated first 1 by sine c and tan I. 1 by sine c and tan I means I can write sine c and tan I. Tan I. C sine c is equal to, sine c is equal to 1 by tan I. 1 by tan I is nothing but cot I. So c is equal to sine inverse cot I. C is equal to sine inverse cot I. This is the formula what we can write. So C is equal to sine inverse cot I means obviously what are the different forms? As tan I is equal to, as tan I is equal to, tan R is equal to cot R dash, cot R dash. These are the different forms which we know. So mu is equal to, what we can write here is tan I we wrote. Mu is equal to tan I. And now what is the, okay, mu equal to tan I, that season is over. Now C is equal to, I wrote now just now, sine inverse cot I, or sine inverse cot R, or sine inverse tan R dash, tan R dash, sine inverse tan R dash. Like that I can write different forms for this one. So C is called critical angle. C is called critical angle. So this is the concept form when the ray is traveling from which medium to which medium? Rarer to denser. Rarer to denser. Rarer to denser. This is the situation there. I hope you are clear with the rarer to denser situation. How we got these things. So now let us discuss about denser to rarer. Denser to rarer. So denser to rarer means what will happen, beta? Now first we are taking separating two media like this, and the ray is incident in this way, and the incident angle is here I. So when it's incident here, it is refracted, and the ray bends away from normal like this, and it is also reflects here in this direction. We are taking angle between them is 90 here, and this is r dash. I have taken r dash. So this angle is r dash, and this angle is, I can take it as this angle as r, and like that I have given. So now this is denser medium, rarer. Denser to rarer bends away from rarer. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray, reflected beam of rays, and refracted beam, refracted ray. So now here also what we can write? I is equal to R, and R plus 90 plus R dash is equal to 180. So r dash is equal to 90 minus r, or I can write 90 minus I. So I can conclude like that. And again, it is going from denser to rarer. Denser to rarer means we can write mu dr is equal to sin I by sin r. So sin I by sin r. Here, what is the values we have beta here? Here we have to not take r, we have to take r dash. Sin I by sin r dash. R dash is 90 minus I. So again, substituting that one, this is sin r dash. So again, same steps, sin I by sin 90 minus I. Same steps we are following here also, 90 minus I. And nothing but sin I by cos I, sin I by cos I. Or I can write mu denser to rarer is equal to now tan I. Mu denser to rarer is tan I. Rarer with respect to denser, rarer with respect to denser. So rarer with respect to denser is nothing but we can write reciprocal denser with respect to rarer is nothing but now we can also write it as 1 by tan I. 1 by tan I is nothing but cot I. So I got mu denser with sorry, I changed this one, right? 1 minute, 1 minute. I have done here a small mistake here. I have to write here mu. This side I have to write denser and this side rarer. So 1 by mu rd is equal to 1 by tan I is equal to cot I. Now it's clear. So mu denser to rarer is equal to cot I. So let us see here mu denser to rarer, we got it as cot I, cot I. Because here vacuum we are taking rarer medium as vacuum, rarer medium if I take vacuum, then I can write rarer medium as vacuum. Then mu denser to rarer, simply I can write mu denser by mu rarer and we can write as mu denser. And we can also write simply it as mu. So this is the information like that. So mu is equal to what I got here is cot I. So mu is equal to what we can write beta, cot I is equal to we can write cot r. So we can write it as cot r, or we can write it as cot of 90 minus r dash, 90 minus r dash. So we can write mu is equal to cot I or cot r 90 minus r means tan r dash. So like that we got for mu. And again we told that mu is also can be written as 1 by sin c. Mu is also can be written as 1 by sin c. So from these two expressions I can write sin c is equal to I can write cot, that means 1 by cot I. I can write 1 by cot I or 1 by cot r, or I can write 1 by tan r dash. So finally I can write C is equal to sine inverse of, C is equal to sine inverse of tan I is equal to sine inverse of tan r is equal to sine inverse of cot r dash, cot r dash. This is the formula which we can make. This is the situation where it's coming from denser to, yeah, previous condition is rarer to denser, now denser to rarer. These are the conditions what we have related to this topic. I hope you are understood the two conditions, rarer to denser condition and denser to rarer condition.